In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads and Google Analytics. By the end, you'll have your accounts connected so you can see ad performance inside Analytics, build audiences, and make smarter decisions with combined insights. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Analytics. Look for the official result from Google that takes you to analytics.google.com. Click through, then choose Go to Analytics. Make sure you're signed in with a Google account that has the proper access. Ideally, you should have administrator or editor access in Analytics and admin access in the Google Ads account you want to link, so everything shows up as expected. Once you're in Analytics, head to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon labeled Admin. Before moving on, glance at the top of the admin page to confirm you're in the correct account and property. If you manage multiple sites or apps, use the drop-downs to select the exact property you want to link. Linking works at the property level, so choosing the right one matters. In the property column, scroll down until you see product links. Click that section, then choose Google Ads links. This is where you manage all link groups between your Analytics property and your Google Ads accounts. Click the blue link button to start the setup. On the next screen, click Choose Google Ads Accounts. You'll see a list of available accounts. Check the box for your Google Ads account identified by its 10-digit customer ID. If you don't see the account you expect, it's usually a permissions issue, or you might be logged into the wrong profile. Once you've selected the correct account, click Confirm. Click Next to continue. You'll now review link settings. Keep Enable Personalized Advertising turned on if you plan to use remarketing and audience sharing. This setting helps you build audiences in Analytics and use them in Google Ads, and it supports more tailored ad experiences. You can adjust it later if needed to align with your policies and regional requirements. When everything looks good, click Submit. That's it. The link is created. From here, your Analytics property and Google Ads account will start sharing data. Reporting isn't retroactive, so give it some time for new data to appear and check back later to see audience eligibility and performance insights. You can return to the same Google Ads links section anytime to edit or add additional accounts as your setup grows. With your accounts linked, you're set up for clearer tracking, better optimization, and more effective campaigns.